Police personnel, officers, their families, and civilian employees of the Camp Bagong Diwa in Lower Bicutan are all smiles these days with food items and produce at the cheapest prices available inside the camp by way of the latest Kadiwa food outlet. Rod Lagusad has more.
Police Captain Virgie Galang took the opportunity to shop at the Kadiwa store set up inside Camp Bagong Diwa in Taguig City. She said it was a great opportunity, especially since they don't have to go far from their workplace to buy food for their families, which is something helpful given how busy they are with their respective duties.
Actually, nakakapamilya ako pag sa ordinary is mga umabot ako ng nasa 1,000, ganun. So far ngayon, at least kalahati yung na-saving ko dun sa pinamili ko dito sa fruits, tsaka dun sa mga gulay na ino-offer ng Kadiwa.
This initiative is part of the government's ongoing efforts to make basic commodities more affordable. This is the first Kadiwa store set up inside the camp, and it's expected to be a big help for employees, especially police personnel, their families, and even tenants in the camp. One of the shoppers was Nanay Marcela, whose child works as a police officer in the camp.
Mas mura dito. Sa isang araw, hindi naman kami araw-araw nagmamalengke. Every other day. Ang 500 ko, minsan naubos, minsan hindi.
Here at Kadiwa, various affordable vegetables are available. Cabbage, pechay, bagyo pechay, green chili, radish, bitter gourd, and okra are all available at 100 pesos per kilo. Bottle gourd or upo for 45 pesos per piece, squash for 45 pesos per kilo, and string beans for 20 pesos per bundle. Chayote is sold at 40 pesos per kilo, tomatoes at 50 pesos per kilo, and potatoes at 85 pesos per kilo. Lettuce is available at 130 pesos per kilo, while both bell pepper and celery are priced at 150 pesos per kilo. Affordable rice is also available here, where NFA rice sells for just 29 pesos per kilo, while other rice variety are priced around 35 pesos per kilo.
Okay naman po so far. May bibili naman po. Kaka-start lang din po ng selling namin. So far, maganda rin naman po. May bumibili rin naman.
For the cooperative selling these products, this is a huge help.
Nakatulong din sila sa mga farmers namin. Malaking tulong po kasi yung mga farmers natin, hindi na sila mahirapan magbenta sa mga produkto nila.
Kadiwa outlets are expected to continue monthly, this to make affordable goods even more accessible. Kadiwa stores are scheduled to sell on dates close to payday, so more people can benefit from the low prices. Rod Lagusad from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.